Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Evcalma here. I hope you all had a great week. Today I am making a spicy chicken sisig, and it is a Filipino recipe. And what we need are white onions, ginger, garlic, ground black pepper, mayonnaise, margarine, soy sauce, chili peppers, the red and the green, half of a lemon, green onions, pork rinds or chicharron, and 3.5 pounds of crispy fried boneless chicken legs and thighs. So let's get started and follow along. Now the best part is to try my hard work. Good. This must be so spicy. Look at those red and the green chili peppers. Spicy. My friends, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, drop a comment, and if you have not done already, please subscribe and turn the bell next to it. I hope to see you next Friday. Happy cooking, and I hope you all have a great week ahead. Bye for now.